Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the photo for Active Income, which is the logo that you can click on to get to the Active Income slogans and logos, which will on that page, which is the videos I'll make for the print-on-demand business for Active Income, and yeah. So that's for caps, hats, t-shirts, um, mugs, and whatever else you can come up with, well, for this print-on-demand business. And that's the thing. So, and I recommend Printful because they train you. And they get you you can start for free. You can actually have a free account. You can create a free account at Printful. It's that you don't have to pay up front like with some of them. Okay, I will pay monthly. Now, so without further ado, let's get on with it and let's see what we can do here. Okay, so yeah, there we are. Okay, the first one is this, which is very important, I suppose. You know, it's a common one, I guess. This is a common one. I think most people know this one. Okay, we made a mistake, so it's all right. So, okay, it's just best to do it in capital letters. Sometimes I don't get it right, but you know, just do it again. That's all, you know. But this is easy, simple. You know, look how fast. I mean, I'm just doing it in front of you, right? On the fly. So we're just about there with this first one for active income. Sorry, not passive, but active income. A dollar saved is a dollar earned, and that's a common one, isn't it? You know, but it used to be a penny saved as a penny earned. You know, but now it's dollars and cents now, so it's a dollar saved as a dollar earned. Okay, so that's the first one. All right. The next one is this one. This one is another one, but you know, from a book called The Richest Man in Babylon. Now that's the next one, so there you go. Whoops, I made a mistake there as well. Never mind, we'll just correct that quickly. So save 10% of everything you earn, okay? Yeah, I had another one. What was that? Hang on. I had another one flash over my mind just a moment ago. So, what was that? Save 10% of everything you earn. What was it? A dollar saved is a dollar earned. To save 10% of everything you earn. Oh, I've forgotten what it was now. It's eluded me. Okay, that's just the way it is when you're old. I guess you just forget things. But I see you can see how simple this is. I mean, it's not rocket science, is it? You know, you don't have to be that smart. Save 10% of everything you earn. I mean, you know, oh, what was it? I'm at a loss. It was there, and now it's gone. Okay, I don't know what the last one was because I've forgotten it. It was there, and I didn't, you know, I should have, I don't know, I should have started writing, and it would have helped me remember. So it's got something to do with this here, this second one. Um, No, I can't. Oh yeah, I can do. I think of another one anyway. This one here, because this is true about our system, right? What we live in. This is the truth about earned income, right? Earned income, right? It's a bit negative, this one though, eh? But it's true, nevertheless. I mean, this is not rocket science. It's just really quite simple, you know. And there it is there. See, earned income is the highest tax, and that's true. It is. There's no doubt about that. You know, why do you think the government sends you to school for? What do you think you come out with at the end of your, after you've been to school and you leave school at 17 or whatever, or when you get your degree? What do you think they want you to get? Eh? They want you to get a job, don't they? A job where you earn income. See income. Why do they want that? Because that's it benefits them. It's the highest tax. You see, that's why. See, so yeah, there you go. There's something you didn't know. Now you do. Oh well, there you go. There's three sayings. A dollar saved is a dollar earned. Save 10% of everything you earn. Earned income is the highest taxed, and that's the first one. Okay, that's the first set in active income. So I'll come up with some others as well. So this was for the print on demand. You can put this on your hats, your shirts, your t-shirts, on your jackets and on your hoodies and on mugs and anything else you want to put it on. Yeah, Printful. You see, Printful. Why do I recommend that? Because they give you a free account and they train you as well, and they show you how to do how to work the business in the training. So it's really good, So you can start for free, and then when you get paid, they get paid. So that's how that works. I suspect. So anyway, if you like this video, smash the like button. Um, if you want us to hear more, smash the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. Anyway, that's about that for active income. There's three sayings I just did right in front of your face, right in front of you on the fly. So it's not that hard. It's really simple, really. That's it. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one, in the next video, which I'll be making. Okay. Thank you, and bye for now.